When you're in Quizlet and you're ready to start pasting your sentences in, you're going to do one sentence per term. So let me show you what that means. I'm looking at the term wearily right here, and my sentence, you see, has the blank where the word wearily would go. So the sentence says, along the promenade, in parties of 50, the remnants of practically all the last regiments were blank trudging along. And we would say they are wearily trudging along. So the missing word from this sentence is my term. Now I'm only using one sentence per term. So the next sentence, because I have to do 5 for each vocabulary word, the next sentence is also the term wearily. And now I have a new sentence. The men traveled blank across the path, refusing to give up even though they were tired. And my next one is wearily. I wiped my eyes blank and yawned as I tried to stay awake. So all three of those words, or all three of those sentences, would be completed by the word wearily, but I make a new term every time. So when you're doing 5 sentences for the term majestic, you're going to put the term majestic on one and a sentence where majestic fills the blank. And then on the next one, you'll do majestic again and another sentence where majestic fills the blank. And you'll continue doing that until you meet your minimum numbers. So it'll be 5 for majestic, 5 for immense, and 5 for numerous.